My name is Sham Hairul Haikal bin Nur Hisham from class 2 TSI. The content of my video today will be on the subject of data mining. I've been given an assignment on chapter 5, Classification Basic Concept Decision Tree. So, I'm going to share and discuss about my assignment with you. Without any further ado, let's look at the questions. Before we find the answer, I'm gonna brief you about three main formula that you have to memorize. Pardon me, I would rather say you have to understand these formulas to make sure you are completely understand on how to solve the exercises. I will guide you on how to use the formula correctly. So, I will do three questions from three slides. Now, let's read the first question. The data set in Table 1 contains data about heart disease and its conditions. The class label P means that the heart disease is present and the class label N that the disease is absent. Suppose that the data set is used as a training set. A. Calculate the information gain over the attribute blood pressure. B. Given the information gains over the other descriptive attributes as follows. Gain body weight 0.0275, gain body height 0.2184, gain blood sugar level 0.1407, gain habit 0.0721. Which attribute should be chosen as the root of the decision tree by the ID tree algorithm? So now we have to find the information gain for the blood pressure. If we want to make everything super easy, we should make a new table like this so that we can manage all the data into the formula easily. So now this is a table, and now look at the formula. So we have H class, which is equal to negative 7 over 11 time log 2 7 over 11 minus 4 over 11 log 2 4 over 11. Then we get like this, equal to negative 7 over 11 times 0.652 minus 4 over 11 times negative 1.459, and then we get 0.515415 plus 0.531, and we get 0.946 bigs for the H class. Then, since the information for attribute blood pressure, so we have to find the H class for blood pressure of height. So this is the equation. Using the formula, we have negative 5 over 5 log 2 time log 2 5 over 5 minus 0, and then we get 0 bits. After that, we have to find the H class for blood pressure normal. So it is equal to negative 2 over 6 times log 2 2 over 6 minus 4 over 6 log 2 4 over 6. So we have negative 2 over 6 times negative 1.585 minus 4 over 6 times negative 0.585. Then we get 0.528 plus 0.390. Then we add both value, so we will get 0.918 bigs. So we can find the H class for blood pressure now. So this is the equation: 5 over 11 times by the H class blood pressure height plus the 6 over 11 times by the H class of blood pressure normal, and then we get the 0 plus 6 over 11 times by 0.918. Then we get 0.501 beats for the H class blood pressure. Therefore, we can get the gain information of blood pressure using the formula H class minus H class blood pressure. So it will go 0.946 minus 0.501 equal to 0.445 bits. And then the gain information for blood pressure is the highest among the other information. Okay, for question 1b, which attribute should be chosen as the root of the decision tree by ID tree algorithm, and it has been given the gain for the body weight, gain of body height, gain of body blood sugar level, and gain of habit. So we have also we also get the gain of blood pressure, and we know that the blood pressure has the highest information given, so therefore attribute blood pressure should be chosen as the roots of the decision tree. Excellent. I hope you can bear with me until now. Second question. Given the training set in Table 1, the partial decision tree in figure below has been constructed with the ID tree algorithm. Complete the construction of the remaining part of the tree. Discuss what to do if two attributes have the same amount of information gain. For question 2, complete the construction, the remaining part of the tree. Now look at the tree. Okay, then discuss what to do if two attributes have the same amount of information gain. Now we have known that the first root is the blood pressure and the second root is blood sugar level. So for this one, we have to remove the blood sugar level and blood pressure from the table and reform the new table of body weight, body height, habit of the class. So here now, we have to find the new gain information. So let's start with the body weight. We have to form this kind of table so that it is easy to organize all the information. So look at the formula. The formula is still the same. We use the three main formulas, which is the first one, we have to find the H class. Okay, negative 3 over 5 log 2 2 over 5 minus 2 over 5 times log 2 2 over 5, and we get 0.442 plus 0.529, and we get 0.971 bits. And then we have to follow with the H class of the body weight of heavy, negative 1 over 2 times log 2 over 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 times log 2 1 over 2. Then we get 0.5 plus 0.5 equal to 1. After that, we will find the H class for the body weight of normal, which is the same. We get the answer 1. And after that, we find the H class for the body weight of low. We get it 0. And we have to find the gain information for body height. Now this is the table. We get like this. After that, we insert all the information into the formula. H class, we get 0.971. H class of body height equal blood height tall equal to 0. Then H class for body height medium, we get like this, negative 2 over 3 times log 2 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3 times log 2 1 over 3. Then we get equal to 0.390 plus 0.528. We get the answer 0.918 for the class height medium. For the H class low, we get it 0, and then after that we will find the total H class of height. This is equal to 0 plus 3 over 5 times 0.918 plus 0 equal to 0.551. Then we can get the gain information for the body height, which is equal to 0.971 minus 0.551 equal to 0.420. And after that, we can find the gain information for the habit. So this is the table, and this is the information that have been put into the formula, which is H class equal to 0.971, H class of habit smoker equal to 0, H class of habit non-smoker equal to 0, and total H class of habit is equal to 0. Then we get the gain information for habit is equal to 0.971. Okay, for question 2, we have to fill in the empty box of the tree. So after we calculated all the gain informations of the new data, we finally get that the habit has the higher gain information, which make it as the main root. So habit will be put into the empty box. So we will get the table like this. Habit, the blood sugar of 3 is equal to habit, and habit is branched out for smoker, which is P, and non-smoker, which is N. And as for the second part of the second question, what to do if two attributes have the same amount of information gain? So the algorithm will pick the attribute which comes first in the dataset, because that is how it will have been coded, and this is certainly the case with WEKA. So, or otherwise, we just need to check in the alphabetical order. Splendid. I wish you have understand how to use the formulas and to construct the trees. Question 3. Use the decision tree constructed in question 2 to classify the unseen class in table 2. Table 2 contains the information about body weight, body height, blood pressure, blood sugar level, habit, and the class. And the last question, we have to use the decision tree constructed in question 2 to classify the unseen class in table 2. So after we look at all the answer from question 2, we will get the class like this, which is the first one. We get the class is P, the second one is also P, the third one is also P, the third one is also P, and the last one will be N, which is the person will not get the heart disease. Finally, we managed to finish all the questions perfectly. So that's all from me discussing the assignment on this chapter. I hope you can understand from what I shared in my video. Before I end this video, I would like to give some words of advice. We have been under the control movement order for over than a month. I hope that we, as a responsible citizens of Malaysia, we follow all the orders issued by the government for the sake of our beloved country, Malaysia. I wish the pandemic will be over soon in our country and we can go through our daily routine as usual. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum and peace yo.